Hello and welcome to all. And today's recipe I'm going to make Ghugni, which is a very delicious Indian food. Here are the ingredients: chopped chili, coriander leaves, onion paste, chopped tomatoes, turmeric, grated ginger, grated garlic, chopped onions, 3 potatoes, chopped potatoes, and coconut powder. And here is the boiled Kabli Channa, also known as white pea, of 250 grams. I'm using 2 tablespoons of mustard oil.
I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes
To the mustard oil, I'm adding 2 bay leaves known as tejpatta, some cinnamon, some cloves.
Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
Grated garlic, grated ginger,
Life's all about balance,
stirring it with the oil.
love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but love's on purpose. Reciprocate the
Chopped
feeling.
onions,
Find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy. Everything's peachy. Split personality.
grated chili,
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And M. Night Shyamalan story calls everything peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
adding chopped potatoes, stirring it softly until it becomes a little soft and golden brown, and then closing the lid for some time. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt,
Split
1
personality.
teaspoon of turmeric powder,
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split
stirring from time to time.
sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
Teaspoon of red chili powder, onion paste, chopped tomatoes,
Reminiscing of good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so
adding now 250 grams of boiled Kabli Chana, as is known in India, also known as white pea.
I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And then I shine like stars.
Adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now this is optional.
Straight to the plot twist, please.
2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut powder to give a twist to the taste.
Life's all about balance. practice. We know accidents happen, but violence on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy, everything's peachy.
Adding water from time to time.
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And then that China story calls everything speechy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
Really adding some chopped coriander leaves. Stirring goes on. You can see now the correct texture and the color has come.
Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
Cooking the kabli chola and the potato, whether it has been cooked well or not. Closing the lid again for some time and taking it out after 3 minutes. And now the kabli chola recipe ghugni is prepared to serve hot. Really garnishing it with chopped coriander leaves to give more taste. If you like this recipe, please give a like and subscribe to my channel Cooking Made Easy. Kabli Chana Ghugni is now being transferred to the bowl. Here is the final take. Cuisine must be eaten hot to enjoy.